independence, but at the same time it's great to meet lots of new people.
It's so beautiful and it's new and it's for postgraduates only, so it would be really easy for me to make friends.
I like a lot of things about GradPad. I especially like the gym and also the events that we've been organising of late, which are a great opportunity to meet people.
I'm having a very nice time here. I've met many students from all over the world.
I like the fact that you can have quiet study areas when you need them, but at the same time, if you want some fun, there's always space for that as well. The local area is really great, especially with Westfield right down the road, because anything you need, you can get it in 15 minutes.
There is so much going on here. There's Westfield, there's loads of supermarkets, and I don't have to walk very far carrying my groceries. There's one right across the street, and there's bigger ones just a little bit further away. And the most important part is that it's not loud, so I have everything, and it's quiet.
I like very much the fact that there is an underground station near Goodlane Studios, and there is a bus station just outside the building, so you can easily move.
The transport links here are phenomenal. I mean, you have a bus stop right outside the door and a tube station a few hundred metres down the road.
The staff is really great. I enjoy, whenever you walk in through the door, there's always someone there to greet you, and that's really nice.
I feel very safe here at Goodlane Studios because there are always two guys sitting in the reception 24 hours per day.
I like the fact that in GradPad you have your own kitchen, your own bathroom, so it's not like student housing that I've had in the past. It's a lot more mature and independent living.
It's great here that we have both broadband and wireless internet, and I like that the rooms are very quiet, you can easily concentrate and study.
It's very clean, it's new, it's just so compact and perfect because I have so much storage space.
Yes, definitely I would recommend Goodlane Studios to my friends. I think that they're gonna have a really nice time here.
I would definitely recommend GradPad to my friends because I think it's a great experience.